So welcome back to Chasing Cars 71 YouTube channel. We've come over today to Colmworth in Bedfordshire to the Classic Car Meet. It's a meeting that's held once a month on the first Sunday. This is the first meet of the year, raising funds for the local church, which is just over there in the village. This is on the Colmworth Village Hall car park and sport field, so any cars are welcome. They've been doing this for several years, the chap told us as we came in. It's £8 per person, but that gets you a coffee and a bacon roll. And I think last year they said they raised over £11,000 for building maintenance for the church, so a very worthy cause. Come over in the Elise today, fully recommissioned now with its new interior. We've now got 4 brand new Yokohamas on as well, having killed the old tyres at the track day recently that we did in Bicester. So let's have a look around, grab our breakfast and have a look at what's here at the show.
It was so neat. It was just, it filled the entire bag.
So we're just queuing up here in the village hall to get our bacon roll, and just looking at the village notice board we spotted this car advert. Given that we're in Bedfordshire, if anybody's looking for a 1971 Land Rover Series 3 called Doris with only 29,000 miles, 4-cylinder diesel, it's located in West Wales. We're just wondering how on earth the advert made it onto a village hall notice board in Bedfordshire, but anyway, if anybody wants a classic Land Rover, there's the advert, get in touch. As you can see, this show is any car welcome. It's a real mix of stuff. We've seen the McLaren just roll in. Now we've got a lovely T-Reg Volvo 850. Thank you. Probably a daily driver still. Lovely. They have no fencing on the steering. So when you go around the corner, you have to like pull it back.
Mine is very late.
Yeah, we were just saying that when they used to build these cars, I mean, there was so much tolerance on all the panels. You can't trust him now, can you? No. Whenever we used to have him at work, and I see you coming in on.
So thanks for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed looking around the show here at Colmworth today. A real mix of different cars and bikes at the event. Everybody's welcome at this show. It's on the first Sunday of every month from 9 o'clock. Just £8 per person to get in, which includes your tea, coffee and a bacon roll in the village hall there, which was delicious. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please consider dropping us a subscription to Chasing Cars. We've got more events and car shows planned for 2025. Keep chasing cars and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.
Missed that one up.